Kaspa is about to explode. Emergency. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, in the market cap. Also, we will see the hash rate, we will see the categories and the top addresses, and we will close the video with the technical side of Kaspa and also the technical side of Bitcoin because the things are going exactly as I predicted. And at the end of the video, we'll speak about why Kaspa has a probability to explode above 5 cents the next coming days. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto market. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe to my channel. And without losing more time, let's get straight into the video and start with the price of Kaspa that is starting right now at 0.047 cents, 2.6% up. And guys, as you can clearly see, the time that I did the last update, because yesterday actually I didn't update you with the prices. I update you from more educational content, and I recommend you to go watch why Kaspa is vital in the world. Very educational stuff in this video. The last time on this video that Kaspa, why most people will buy at $1, at this video actually I showed you that Kaspa in this kind of red candle that it was will reverse. Okay, I told you that this is a situation that you can clearly see Kaspa at 0.045 cents, 46 cents, but that situation can reverse in the next coming days and we will move like in a bull flag. It's some kind bull flag. Anyway, we will see that in the technical side. But obviously, I told you that if Bitcoin will pump, and because the reason that we were above the 200 daily moving average, that's going to help Kaspa with the Bitcoin pump above $29,000. That's going to help Kaspa to actually fade away from the war news and actually be in the place that it was before the war fad. Okay, because Kaspa dropped back to 0.041 cents, not because the technicals, as many people false believe. You believe that Kaspa dropped at 0.041 cents or 4 cents area because the technicals, that's completely wrong. Kaspa dropped because the war fad. People did the correlation that Kaspa devs are from Israel, and because of that, people feared, paper hands sold. Lots of people with different approaches than the Kaspa devs sold because the different approaches to the war. And that's pretty stupid because Kaspa is here to unite the people and not separate them. Kaspa has no nationality, no matter if the majority of the devs are from Israel. Kaspa has no nationality. Okay, you need to know that and separate the things. Leave the politics out of crypto. Crypto is here to actually unite the people. Okay, it's for us, not for the governments. It's for us. Always remember that. Anyway, rank, as you can clearly see, 45. Very soon, and mark my words, you will see Kaspa under 42 rank. We will explode straight to 42 position, 41, and if Kaspa will reach new 88s like with a rally, okay, with an incredible pump, parabolic pump, that actually can lead us in rank 40 or even below that. It's very close, guys, this scenario, okay? Very soon you will see Kaspa under rank 40. So fasten your seatbelts because you're gonna notice that in the next coming days or weeks. I don't know exactly when. It all depends of obviously the current Bitcoin price because Kaspa had this war fad. Anyway, market cap right now under 1 billion, very slight under 1 billion. You can see from time to time above 1 billion, even the time that I'm recording. So guys, I recommend you to do DCA. Under 1 billion is very great opportunity to accumulate as many Kaspa as possible. Even at 1 billion is very great opportunity. Don't have expectations to see Kaspa as I see in Twitter, Kaspa to 3 cents to 2 cents, that some people call that great buy zone. This is dream buy zone. That buy zone has been in the past. Great buy zone right now is not great buy zone. The great buy zone right now is from 4 cents to 5 cents. And if you don't realize that, I can like 90% guarantee you that you're gonna get wrecked in your Kaspa accumulation position. Anyway, I recommend you to do that, because if Bitcoin won't drop under $24,000, $23,000, Kaspa won't drop under 4 cents. And we dropped at 4 cents because the war, not because Kaspa actually had a reason to drop. You need to separate these things. Don't listen to these technical analysis guys. These guys don't know about Kaspa, how strong is fundamentally, and actually how is backed by too many diamond hands that will never sell. Even the ASIC miners don't sell. Okay, I know lots of ASIC miners, and these guys will sell only a very small portion of their Kaspa earnings just to cover some bills, no more than that. And as we mentioned, the Kaspa miners, let's go into the hash rate, because hash rate all-time high is the same, 53.58 petahash per second, but you can clearly see the current hash rate is starting at 50.82 petahash per second. That is really, really bullish and very close to reaching new 88s from anytime soon. Maybe in the next coming hours we can see 54 petahash per second. And in the last days of November, early days of December, we will see more ASICs to be plugged in the Kaspa network. That means that the 100 petahash per second is imminent the next coming months. Okay, so fasten your seatbelts. Kaspa will have very, very powerful protection from the ASIC miners, because we will see more computational power around the Kaspa network. And as you can clearly see, 53% is already mined from the 100%, 53 is out, 70% approximately is from GPU miners, 3% is already out from ASIC miners. So for the people who believe that this 3% can do damage, I feel bad for you. Okay, even if all ASICs will sell Kaspa, all the Kaspa coins, something that is impossible, but let's say in consensus they decide to sell every single Kaspa that they have mined, the damage that they can do is too small. Okay, it's not something big as many people believe, that ASIC miners can crush the Kaspa price like in straight to 1 cent whenever they would like. That's wrong. Okay, they cannot do that crazy damage, especially if Kaspa drop right now at 0.035 cents. You will see too big buying pressure. People will sell even the kidneys to buy Kaspa under 4 cents. So the price cannot drop as much as you think. Anyway, that's from the hash rate. Let's go into the categories, because as you can clearly see here, the categories in the last 24 hours are in accumulation. But the astonishing thing here is the last 7 days in the well category. You can clearly see we gained lots of whales wallets in the last 7 days, something that is really, really bullish. It seems that we have more people into Kaspa, more diamond hands into Kaspa. And obviously, guys, don't actually worry about this handback drop, because some people, obviously one wallet is the Mixi, but I would like to tell you here that, guys, in the handbag category, we have lots of whales, okay? But a handbag with above 100 million Kaspa coins, probably if you have above 100 million Kaspa coins, you probably split out that amount in 3 to 4, 5 wallets. So one handbag, maybe it can be like a 2 whales wallet, okay? So don't rely that much in these big categories, because the big people with big money separate and spread out their Kaspa holdings into multiple wallets. So it's not like we have only 7 handbags and only 235 whales, and also the whales split out their wallets into multiple Sark wallets. So that's very, very normal. And guys, as you can clearly see from the top 10 addresses, the Mixi is in actually page 5. It's going exactly as I'm waiting for, and as I have prepared you for that. Okay, I told you that Mixi will go straight to 5 million Kaspa coins in balance, and suddenly when Kaspa will be in a position that is exploding, you will see suddenly Mixi wallet, the same Mixi wallet in top 1 address. And for me, and as I told you, this move is actually a move that I believe, I'm convinced that they're doing some type of swing trade with futures or I don't know, maybe they do liquidation in some exchange, I don't know. Okay, but the time that they increase and decrease their wallet balance is suspicious for me. Okay, and I believe they're doing swing trades because they're playing with big money, with millions of dollars. Anyway, it is what it is. We will never know. I just actually mentioned that because people ask me what's happening with Mixi all over the time. So this is what I believe is happening. I believe they're doing some swing trade, because it's pretty stupid to believe that they actually, we saw in Mixi 800 million Kaspa coins like withdrew in a month. That's insane. These things don't happen that way. Anyway, let's move into the technical side and we will close the video here because, guys, as you can clearly see right now, Kaspa is in a very bullish position for two reasons. First reason, we bounce from this very strong support that is forming from early days of June. Okay, huge uptrend support. I told you to break this support. Actually, we will need to see Bitcoin under $25,000 and more specifically to break the $25,200 and get like in $24,000 or even below that. Otherwise, I could not see, even with the war fad, okay, Kaspa under 4 cents area, and it happened as I was expecting. We bounced from that area, and the position that we are standing right now is very bullish. It's like we are forming some kind of small bull flag with a price target like the 0.053 cents, 52 cents is approximately the all-time high, very close to the all-time high that we have, which is approximately the 0.05354 cents. So guys, there is huge probability that if Bitcoin will remain above $29,500 to see Kaspa in a continuation of this kind of pump, because look at this, it seems that we will move here with an uptrend movement. Okay, let me actually correct that. We will move like that. There is big probability because this huge Bitcoin rally that's happening right now is very bullish for the altcoins, and especially for Kaspa is very good because it's gonna help us to fade away from the war fad. Okay, and with that help, we will get back to the position that we were studying, and we were very close to break into new 88s before actually the war news emerged in this current day and all the drop happened. And the traders that were shorting Kaspa, they were very happy, and they have an attitude like they are gods because they were saying that Kaspa will collapse. That's pretty stupid. Kaspa is moving fundamentally, and even this dump happened because the fundamentals, not because the technicals. Always remember that. Kaspa is 75%, 80% fundamentals, not technicals. The rest is technicals. Anyway, I'm expecting for a big explosion. The reason of that is because Bitcoin bounced, even with fake news, above the 200 daily moving average. And this could be a weak pump if Bitcoin would come under the 200 daily moving average. With a fake pump, Bitcoin pumped to $30,000, came back to $28,500 and consolidating this area for 4 days in a row and then suddenly explode. And I told you that if you go back in my videos, you will see that I told you that here we're gonna form like a bull flag that can pump the Bitcoin price above $29,000 or even $30,000, something that's happening right now. We reached actually the $30,000 mark before a couple minutes, something that is really bullish. And if we're gonna stay in this position, Kaspa, I believe, will do a rally back to and above 5 cents area. So let's see how Bitcoin will move here. Right now, Bitcoin is in an overbought position. Let's see if we're going to move with a consolidation phase above $29,500 in the next coming days, because if this will happen, I'm expecting big explosion for Kaspa and for all the crypto market. So very bullish situation here. We will evaluate again the situation of Kaspa and also of Bitcoin the next coming days. And guys, if Kaspa will have a very great news like exchange listing, and this exchange will be medium to big exchange. The pump that can happen at that point will be unprecedented, because we can see Kaspa from 6 cents, depends the exchange or the news, up to 7 cents, or even if the exchange will be big, up to 0.075 cents. Something that's gonna bring more attention to Kaspa. And do not forget that right now Kaspa is ranked 45, 44, and we are still not in the coin market cap. Coin market cap has Kaspa in the rank 200 or whatever, something very fishy from the side of the coin market cap, and most people use coin market cap, so that's why some people don't notice Kaspa. Anyway, that's for another topic. And guys, that's a video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. All for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, I recommend you guys to store your Kaspa in a cold storage. It's the safest way to store your cryptos and your Kaspa. Tangem Wallet is the best wallet that you can buy. I believe is the best one, the best cold storage to store your Kaspa. And with a Crypto Chris code, you will have 10% off discount. And nowadays you are very lucky, because we have limited edition Kaspa wallet powered by Tangem. You can buy the branded wallet cold storage Tangem edition. Buy now, order now, use the Crypto Chris code, and you will have 10% off in your cold storage. And guys, don't forget also to check WealthNET, because the spots are closing very soon. The next coming weeks, 1 to 2 weeks, we will start the live streams. So that's going to be very helpful. The live streams, we're going to say lots of interesting things. We're going to analyze very, very important parts of your crypto prosperity. And for those who don't know, WealthNet is a group designed to help you to build a proper crypto investing mindset. And in WealthNet, you will learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field and now enjoy a wealthy life. And if you are interested to know what else cryptos I am convinced for that have a very bright future, you should enter now. Close these prices forever, because otherwise, if you join later, the prices will be even higher than that. And we have also, for the people who are looking for more benefits, the annual tier and the lifetime tier. And if you are looking to join and be like a main contributor of the group, you will have to send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction about yourself, especially if you are looking for the lifetime tier. We will actually check it, and if you are eligible to enter, we will invite you. The payments in these tiers happening with crypto only, okay, with Kaspa or USDT. So that's the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.